Today I'll be teaching you guys why you guys are not able to change your birth date on Snapchat. So the first reason could be that you might not know how to change it. So let me show you that, how to change your birth date. You can just click on your profile picture at the top left of your screen and then click on the setting icon at the top right. Now from over here you can click on birthday, and from over here you can click on the current birthday you have and then just like scroll the slider and change the birth date to anyone you want, alright? But at the top you have to read this. Choose carefully. You can only change your birth date a limited numbers of time. So let's say you have changed your birth date multiple number of time on your Snapchat. That means you have reached the limit. And once you reach the limit of change you can on your Snapchat account, you cannot change your birthday again. So if you have reached the limit, then the only thing you can do is make a new Snapchat account and change your birth date on that Snapchat account, because in this Snapchat account you cannot change your birth because you have changed it too many times and you have crossed your limit. But there is one way to fix this issue, and I have made a video on this channel, how to guide, teaching you guys on how to change your birthday on Snapchat after limit. You can watch that video to know how you guys can change your birth date after crossing the limit. But yeah, that's the main reason on why you're not able to change your birth date on Snapchat, just because of the limit. Or it could be that you have a slow internet connection. So check that out as well, alright? So that's how we guys can fix this issue of can't change my birthday on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide. I'll see you guys next time.